In this video, I'm going to walk you through my full experience using the Banco Azteca Gold Credit Card. Right from the start, the application process was relatively simple, though it's worth noting that pre-approval doesn't necessarily guarantee final approval. The documentation required is pretty standard: proof of income, identification, and sometimes a credit history check. What I noticed is that Banco Azteca seems to target people with medium to low credit profiles, making it accessible for a wide range of users. Once approved, the card was delivered quickly and activation was straightforward through their app or directly at a branch. The card itself has a fairly standard design. Nothing flashy, but it gets the job done. What really matters though is how it performs. So let's talk about that. The interest rate is higher than average, which could be a downside if you're planning on carrying a balance. We're talking about an APR that can go above 50%, which is definitely something to be aware of. However, if you use the card responsibly and pay your full balance each month, this becomes less of an issue. The lack of an annual fee is a big plus for many people, especially if you're just looking for a card for emergencies or basic credit building. The mobile app that supports the Banco Azteca Gold Credit Card is functional, but not the most user-friendly. You can check your balance, see your transactions, and make payments, but it lacks the smooth experience you'd expect from more modern banking apps. That said, the bank has a strong physical presence, and if you're someone who prefers face-to-face interactions, you'll appreciate the accessibility of their branches throughout Mexico. OnTime's life throws a curveball, and that's exactly when getting money online in minutes with OnCredit just makes sense. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Customer service has been a mixed bag in my experience. In-branch service is typically decent, but phone support can involve long wait times. If you ever need to resolve a charge or inquire about your account, it's better to go in person when possible. The card does offer purchase protection and occasional promos if you use it at partner retailers, but those deals aren't always clearly communicated. One important feature worth mentioning is the card's installment payment options. If you make a big purchase, you can split it into fixed payments, but keep in mind that fees apply and they're not always transparent upfront. I recommend asking for exact numbers before committing to a plan. Overall, the Banco Azteca Gold Credit Card is a decent starter card for people in Mexico who may not qualify for premium options elsewhere. It's not the most feature-rich card out there, but it serves its purpose if you're careful with your usage. It's not a product I'd recommend for heavy spenders or those who want rewards, but it can help build your credit and give you financial flexibility if managed well. If this review helped you in any way, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest breakdown of financial products.